Hello. On this video, we're finally going to start on the actual content for the class. However, before I do that, let me just answer some of the common questions that I've been getting in my email. First of all, as I've mentioned in a bunch of the messages I've sent through WIO courses and through your email, basically everything you need in terms of what you have to access is in the course homepage in WIO courses. Right? So if you go to the course homepage in WIO courses, you're going to look at a page that looks like this. In fact, let me go to student view. It's going to look exactly like this. So basically, all of the important links that you need are either under resources or important links. Okay? So for example, let's say you want to access ALEKS. So just come to the home page, click on Access ALEKS. You're going to be sent to this page. Once you're sent here, just click on this icon here, and they're going to be redirected to the ALEKS homepage. Okay, so that's one of the questions I've been getting: how to access ALEKS. I'm going to get all this is in the syllabus, and it's also in the facts portion. So if you go all the way down to the bottom of the page, of the home page in the course, you'll see that there's a couple of facts. A lot of your answers are going to be answered here, so I would recommend going over those before you ask me questions. But still, if you go over this and you still are uncertain about anything, please feel free to email me anytime. So other things that are important here, once the office hours for all of the TAs and my office hours are posted, they're going to be found here. So as the discussion times and instructors. For the to-do list, you're going to have to watch the videos here and get started in ALEKS and getting to know ALEKS. And in this one, only the first video. You can access the course syllabus, the video lectures. And if you click on video lectures, it's actually going to send you to the modules page. And then basically just look under the lectures tab here, click on the lecture, and you'll be sent to where the videos are. Let's see, there's also a quick access link to the notes. So if you click on lecture notes, they're going to be sent to the lecture notes folder. There's nothing yet here because we just went over the syllabus in the previous video, but once we have notes that I will start uploading today, you'll be able to find them there. Okay. Now, in terms of written homework, look at our first written homework this Friday. Once it's uploaded, and I'll let you know once it's uploaded, just click in here, and then you'll see that there's files. This is where the actual homework assignment is going to be. And also, I'm going to be posting the rubrics and solutions here. So you can also check that on this folder. Now, before the discussions, and I mentioned in the message that we won't have discussion sections this week, so they won't start until the next week. But when they do, before you go, you're going to have to watch the Jamboard tutorial video here. I'll mention this again next week, just something to note. And then finally, the to-do list is here. Great. So I uploaded a file called to-do list for the first week. So just go on the resources, the last link, click on it. They're going to be sent on the things that you should have done by the end of this week. Okay, including some of them are creating your Gmail account, watching the ALEKS videos, accessing ALEKS for the first time, and seeing how to use Jamboards, how to create a Zoom account, etc. Okay. Now, I think that's mostly it. There's more information here. So for example, I sent an email about the SI for the class. So that link is already posted here on the left side menu. You can just click on SI for Math 1405, and you'll be sent to the particular WIO course group for SI. And you'll see all the information there. Now, another thing about SI is that our leader, our SI leader, which is called Robert, is going to be running it. Like I said, all the information is already posted here in this link. So please check that out. If you remember the syllabus, so let me go to the course syllabus. I do mention that the SI is one of the most important resources that we're going to be using in this class. All right, so there's CASM, there's STEP, and then there's SI, which is basically an extra weekly session where you can work with Robert and work over the content that we've covered in class. So it's a very good tool. Not every course has SI, but this one does, so definitely take advantage of this situation. So his hours should be posted on this link, as well as any information on how to attend and all of that. Okay, so definitely keep track of SI. I also posted, so going back to the home page, I also posted information about the CASM. I updated the links and about STEP, and I also created a new announcement that has more information about them. Right? So if you go to announcements, go to this link, you're going to see more information about the CASM and STEP. Okay. Now, I think in terms of questions I've had, that basically answers everything. So I covered, the important links that are here. If you want to access the lecture office hour, you can find the link here. Once my office hours are posted, there's going to be also a link here for that. If you want to access my YouTube channel, or you want to access Jamboards. Once the discussion sections are set, you're also going to have links to access the specific Zoom link for a discussion section here. I mentioned SI. So I think that's good. So that's basically it. I just wanted to show you how things are laid out in the course, and hopefully this helps you answer some of the questions that you've had. If you still have questions, again, please first read the facts and also read the syllabus. If your answers are not answered there, then please feel free to email me. And those that have emailed me already know that I reply very quickly. I'm always basically connected, so I'll reply as soon as possible.